roasted butternut squash soup.
I enjoyed this. Hey guys, welcome back to Shelly's Jamaican style pickle. It's almost that time again, Thanksgiving, and I'm giving you some quick and easy Thanksgiving recipe with a little kick different from the American style. We know it's almost that time of year, and I'll be doing some roasted butternut squash soup. I'll be using some butternut squash, some chicken broth, some chopped onions, and ginger in this, and I'll be making a quick and easy roasted butternut squash soup. And of course, I'll be adding in a little hint of salt, a little black pepper, a little garlic powder to help add flavor and taste. Now I'll be pulling this from the skin, and I'll be pureeing this in some chicken broth. Welcome again. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a video upload, and don't forget to give the video a like. It is free. Stay tuned for my roasted butternut squash soup. Thank you.
So I washed my butternut squash, peeled, cut in large pieces, and then I seasoned with a little olive oil, little black pepper, a little salt. Butternut squash does have a sweet taste. I've never done soup this way, but I'll be trying this and giving you a quick and easy recipe. Once this was baked, I removed the middle portion of it. I'll be pureeing this. You can use coconut milk or chicken broth, whatever you choose, or even water. You can make this also as thick as you choose. I've done pumpkin soup without any meat or anything in it, and this is no different.
Really did. It's more of a pumpkin.
Added me a little olive oil, and then I added aromatics, ginger, garlic, onions, white onions. At this point, I added chicken broth. If you don't want chicken broth, then add water and some coconut milk. Then I added in my pureed butternut squash. Quick and easy Thanksgiving recipe. You don't have to add yours in the oven. You can boil it, then puree it, and get a quick soup, more like a Jamaican style pumpkin soup, which is more like a broth, an appetizer style. Make this as thick as you want or as liquidy as you want. Stir this, leave on medium heat to boil. Garlic powder added, a little black pepper, a little Maggi chicken bouillon. Feel free to also add butter to yours if you want. Then you want to leave your pot on medium heat. Stir whatever consistency you're looking for. Then you can try this. I know this looks more like baby food, right? No, listen, this was delicious. I tell you, these butternut squash recipes for Thanksgiving, add them to your table. Quick and easy while they're waiting on that turkey. You can make this quick soup. And here I am dishing this out. No noodle, no nothing. And I can tell you, I enjoyed every minute, every moment of this. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Support your girl, subscribe, hit your notification bell, drop a comment, and don't forget to give the video a like. That is free. There is no charge. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching, and you'll see me eating some of what I made to show you. This was delicious coming from a Jamaican. Yes, butternut squash. The color, the coconut milk in it is everything for me. The whole consistency of this, it was lit. Add this to your Thanksgiving recipe, and you can also check out my Thanksgiving playlist.
I enjoyed this. I really did. It's more of a pumpkin flavor with a little onion taste. stay tuned for my curried butternut squash. It's creamy with a little coconut milk. Tastes really, really good. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, set your notification. Don't forget to give the video a like. See you soon.